Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro and the Huawei Watch GT 5. All right, let's talk about features of the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro and the Huawei Watch GT 5. First up, the display. Both watches come with a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen. Same size, and the resolution, no difference here. Both pack 466 by 466 pixels with a sharp 326 ppi. Crystal clear visuals on both. Peak brightness, again, identical. Both watches hit 1600 nits, making them super bright even in sunlight. Now let's talk software. Both run on Harmony OS 5.0, ensuring smooth performance and a familiar interface. When it comes to memory, you're getting 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage on both. Plenty of space for apps and music. Need a card slot? Neither of these watches have one, so no expandable storage here. SIM support? Neither watch has a SIM slot, so no standalone calling. Now, the build materials. The GT 5 Pro has a ceramic rear, while the GT 5 goes with plastic, a premium touch on the Pro model. And the frame? The Pro version sports a titanium frame, while the GT 5 settles for steel. Titanium is lighter and more durable. Thickness is close but not the same. The GT 5 Pro is 10.9 millimeters, while the GT 5 is slightly slimmer at 10.7 millimeters. Weight matters too. The Pro weighs 53 grams, while the GT 5 is a bit lighter at 48 grams. Less weight, more comfort. Both watches have a 5 ATM water resistance rating, so no worries about splashes or swims. Battery life? The GT 5 Pro has a larger 55 mAh battery, while the GT 5 comes with 400 mAh. More juice for the Pro. Charging is the same on both, wireless 5-watt charging for convenience. Speakers? Yes, both have them, so you can take calls and play audio without a problem. NFC? Yes on both, making contactless payments a breeze. Bluetooth? Both come with Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring a stable and efficient connection. Color options? The GT 5 Pro is available in titanium, black, ceramic, and white. The GT 5 offers black, blue, brown, white, and gold. Let's talk about prices. The GT 5 Pro starts at $300, while the GT 5 comes in at $200, a $100 difference for those premium materials. Let's see the pros of both watches. GT 5 Pro Pros. Premium build with titanium frame and ceramic rear. Bigger 505 mAh battery for longer life. GT 5 Pros, lighter at 48 grams for more comfort. More color options for personal style. Cons, GT 5 Pro, heavier at 53 grams, which might feel bulky for some. More expensive at $300. GT 5, plastic rear feels less premium. Smaller 400 mAh battery means less battery life. Winner, the Huawei Watch GT 5 takes the crown. With its slimmer 10.7mm thickness, lighter 48 grams weight, and more affordable $200 price, it offers great value without sacrificing key features. So, which one's your pick? The Pro with its premium materials, or the standard GT 5 with a slightly slimmer build? Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world too.